see immediately. Students, yesterday we have done with the rhyming words and choose the correct meanings. I have underlined the correct meanings with the following words, and today we are going to complete the letters. We are going to complete these words by putting some letters which are given, by putting some letter I, G, H, U, R, E and T, C, H. Can you see it? So let's see what can be possible word can be made from it. Is with H, I, G, H can go? Yes, it can go. So write I, G, H. What it will become? High. Can I, G, H go with C? No. Can U, R, E can go with C? Yes, it can go with C, like C, U, R, E, cure. Can T, H, I, G, H go with T, H? Yes. Can first option can go with T, H? Yes. It will become T, H, I, G, H. Thigh. What is thigh? Thigh is the part of the legs. Part of the legs between the hip and the knees. Is the part of the legs. A part of legs between the hip and the knees. Thigh is the part of legs. So is IGH can go with it? No, it has no T with it, though it can't become 5, so it can't go with it. Can URE go with FIG? Yes, it can go. Let's see. FIG, URE, what it will become? Figure. Yes. Can RIGH can go with R? Yes, it can become. Let's see. It can go and it can become RIGH T. Yes. Can STI can go with IGH? No. URE? No. Can't go. TCH? Yes, it can go. What it will become? STCH, STI, TCS, stitch. Which we used to stitch our clothes. Remember that one, stitch. MA. Okay. Look at here. MA. Can IGH go with it? No. Can URE go with MA? No. Can TCH go with? Yes, it can definitely go with MA, TCH. What it will become now? Match. Yes. Can WA can go with IGH? No. Can URE can go with WA? No. Can TCH go with WA? Yes, it can go. What it will become? WATCH. What it will become? Watch. Yes, watch it will become. Can IGH go with S? Yes, it can go. Like what it will become? SIGH. Sigh. What it will become? Sigh. Sigh means to take deep breath. To take heavily deep breath. Are you getting me? That is known as sigh. Can it has all done. Can SURE can go with S? Yes, it can definitely go with SURE. What it will become? Sure. Yes. Can IGH go with P? No. Can URE go with P? Yes, it can go with P. Like what it will become? Pure. Sure. Pure. Can URE go with HA? No. Can IGH can go with? No, because it has A with it, so it can't go with IGH. It has already done. Can TCH go with HA? Yes, it can definitely go. What it will become? ATCH. What it will become? Hatch. Hatch. You must have heard that many people wish you like happy hatch day, like happy hatch day. Hatch means it mostly used for hatch means. Hatch is basically hatch is basically a small door in an aeroplane or something, airplanes like thing. But we used to say like we used, but I use this word for wishing many people on their birthday, like happy hash day. So, but its main meaning is, that it's a small door in planes or aeroplanes. Are you getting me now? I hope this exercise has done now, and now now move to page 10. So now students, let's see what can be suitable for what option can be what suitable option we can put in these blanks. So let's start. When our car broke down on the highway, we could not find dash to help us. We could not find mechanic to help us. We could not find mechanic to help us. So write mechanic in the first blank, in first sentence. MECHANIC, mechanic. And look at the second one. The water tank in the colony had to be repaired by attached. The water tank in the colony had to be repaired by. Who used to repair the water tanks? Any idea? Yes, plumber used to repair water tanks. So write, in second blank, write plumber. Write plumber. PLUMBER. Write plumber in the second sentence. Now look at the third one. The dash approached the table with our food. The dash who approached the table with our food? The waiter. The waitress approached the table approached the table with our food. So write waitress. She's a lady. So we will use what word? We will use waitress. WAITRESS, waitress. Now look at the fourth one. The dash became famous by performing the first transplant. The dash who used to do transplant? The surgeon used to perform transplant surgeries. Yes or no? So we write surgeon in the fourth blank. SURGEON. Now look at the fifth sentence. The dash who painted our walls made a mess and spoiled. Who used to paint the wall? The painter used to paint. The painter used to paint the wall. So write painter in the fifth blank. PAINTER. The painter. The dash took care of the young 5-year-old boy who flying without his parents. Who used to take care 5-year-old boy who was flying without his parents, who are in aeroplane? The air hostess are in aeroplane. So write air hostess in the sixth sentence. AIR, air hostess. HOSTESS, air hostess. Look at the seventh blank. Can you see the seventh blank? Can you see? Okay. The dash is selling sugar, flour and many other items for cooking food. Who used to sell? The grocer used to sell. Many of you have heard that we are going to buy grocery for our house. So the person who used to sell grocery is called grocer. GROCER, grocer. And look at the last. The younger brother wants to be dash as he is fond of plant. The younger brother wants to be a dash as he is fond of plane. This is plane is written. Who is fond of plane? The younger will want to be a the person who is fond of flying. That person is what I'm trying to sell, that person who want to fly a aeroplane in future, he will going to become in future, he wanted to become a pilot, definitely a pilot in future. So write pilot, pilot. I hope you have marked down all the answers, all the correct answers in the correct sentences, and all is that for today. I hope you have done exercise F and exercise B today in your book, and all is that for today. Tomorrow we will continue with the new chapter. Thank you, students.